Take a look at this. XRP getting ready for another pump. Recent statements made by Crypto Bull, a well-known cryptocurrency analyst, highlighted an upward trajectory for XRP. These statements included the phrase XRP getting ready for another pump, which was accompanied by a graphic that displayed the cryptocurrency's recent performance. A substantial amount of interest has been generated among market participants as a result of the tweet, which has prompted talks regarding the next likely price movement for XRP. A significant price rebound has occurred during the course of the most recent few trading hours, as seen by the chart that is attached and focuses on the performance of XRP on the Bitstamp market. According to the graphic, the price of XRP was $1.57,073 during the course of that time period, representing a 6.54 gain from its previous price. There is a growing indication that positive momentum is developing in the market. This success comes at a time when there are broader debates about positive mood in the cryptocurrency industry. XRP continues to demonstrate resilience and the capacity to attract buyers during important price consolidations. One may get a more in-depth look at the price behavior of XRP by examining the 1-hour candlestick chart. After a period of consolidation close to the $1.51 level, a strong green candle marks the breakout and the price quickly climbs past the $1.55 level. As a result of this breakout, it seems that XRP has established a consistent trading range of $1.55 and $1.57 with periodic tests of resistance above the latter level. The rise of the price of XRP is consistent with the increased optimism that exists within the cryptocurrency sector. XRP's attraction to investors has been bolstered by recent developments concerning legal certainty and institutional interest in blockchain technology. These developments have contributed to strengthen blockchain technology. Furthermore, talks regarding the usability of XRP in the industry of cross-border payments further strengthen its place as an essential asset within the realm of digital currency. The optimistic judgment made by Crypto Bull is reflective of a sentiment that is shared by a number of analysts. Traders, on the other hand, should continue to exercise caution in light of the possibility of volatility, particularly in consequence of big price increases. If there is a clear breakout over $1.60, it may pave the way for testing higher levels, such as $1.65 and beyond. On the other hand, if support is not maintained around $1.55, it may lead to a short-term retracement. The news made by Gary Gensler that he will step down as chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission in January 2025 caused the price of XRP skyrocket. Because of this news, there has been a lot of discussion regarding whether or not the litigation between XRP and the SEC could be resolved before Gensler leaves his position. One person on social media expressed the possibility that Gary Gensler and the Securities and Exchange Commission would make an offer of settlement before he goes in an effort to avoid appearing to be complete losers, or at the very least to give the impression that they had won. Mark Fagel, a former attorney for the Securities and Exchange Commission, responded by stating that the SEC has already won almost half of the case. He is skeptical that the same commissioners who voted to challenge the decisions of the other half will alter their minds at this time. Even though it is a possibility, he believes that it is highly improbable and is reassured that the case will not be dismissed. They had already won 50% of the case, he wrote. I am perplexed as to why the same commissioners who voted to appeal the other half would now change their minds. It's possible, but it doesn't seem plausible. XRP has hit $1.05, and there has been an uptick in the volume of transactions. The analysts are optimistic, and some of them anticipate that the price will increase to $2 in the near future. The price of XRP is now exhibiting significant positive momentum, and the introduction of an exchange-traded fund SE based on XRP in the United States makes its price to rise even further. Recent developments, including as the listing of real XRP across major European exchanges, have also contributed to the rapid increase that has been observed. Ripple's chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, has voiced optimism over the future of XRP, particularly in light of the fact that Scott Bessent, a prospective candidate for the position of Treasury Secretary in Donald Trump's administration, might further improve XRP's prognosis. It is possible that the Ripple VSSC case will be resolved by the spring or early summer of 2025, as stated by attorney Jeremy Hogan. There is a possibility that Gensler's departure will hasten the process and result in a regulatory environment that is more favorable for XRP. In its partnership with Bitcoin, XRP has successfully formed a significant technical pattern which may be described as a golden cross. This technical pattern, frequently seen as a positive indicator, occurs when a short-term moving average crosses over a long-term moving average. A golden cross occurs when the simple moving average for the 50 days crosses above the SMA for the 200-day period, indicating potential upward momentum. Throughout the past few weeks, XRP has continuously gained momentum against Bitcoin. As a result of the recent bull run in alternative cryptocurrencies, monies have been transferred from Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies, including XRP. View of trading as bulls continue their rally from the lows of 50 cents on November 5th. The price of XRP reached its highest point of $1.06 on November 23rd, which was the most it has been since May 2021. In a positive turn of events, Gary Gensler, the chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, announced his resignation on Thursday. In doing so, he indicated that he would no longer be participating in efforts to regulate the digital asset business. The market is currently keeping a close eye on the price behavior of XP to determine the next phase of its performance in comparison to Bitcoin. What comes after this? Over the past few weeks, XRP has been performing better than Bitcoin. A tremendous spike in the value of XRP has been noticed since November 12, reaching values in its Bitcoin pairing that have not been seen since November 2023. Coincident with the appearance of the Golden Cross, the XRP exchange rate reached its highest point on Nave 23. Even though the Golden Cross is a bullish signal, XRP still needs to break through critical resistance levels to continue its upward trajectory. In comparison to Bitcoin, we tweet charts indicate that there is significant resistance in this situation. To demonstrate that there is additional potential for growth, the XRP BT pair must first overcome this obstacle. The success of XRP could be influenced by broader market developments, such as the sudden increase in the price of Bitcoin. Despite the optimism, the Golden Cross does not ensure further gains. Rather, all eyes are focused on the direction in which the trend will most likely head next. At the time of this writing, the daily price of XRPC was falling by 259, reaching 14 cents. This decisive 5-wave surge, as stated by Crypto Guru, is indicative of the beginning of a broader bullish cycle. In his analysis of XRP future actions, he places a strong emphasis on the significance of critical levels. How will XRP to develop? To be more specific, he said, if we move below $1 origin of the 5th subwave, then it indicates that we are witnessing a larger wave 2 correction that is taking place before the subsequent impulse occurring in wave 3. On the other hand, if support is maintained above $1.05, it may be possible for the 5th subwave to continue its extension, which could potentially send XRP past the $2 mark before a substantial retreat takes place.